Longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. The brute force solution uses two for loops. The first for loop creates a subarray for every index of I. The second for loop scans every element beginning of index of I and accumulates all unique characters by using a set. As we iterate through all possible subarrays, we will be able to count the number of unique characters in each subarray. At each step, we calculate the length of the current subarray and update the max length. The time complexity is n squared because we have to generate all possible subarrays. The space complexity is O of n because we are using a set, and the upper bound of holding all unique characters will be at most the length of the array. The optimized solution uses one for loop. In the previous solution, we blindly generate all possible subarrays for each index, which is redundant. To improve efficiency, we can use the sliding window technique and a hash map. The sliding window technique uses two pointers to create a dynamic window between two elements. The right pointer expands and the left pointer contracts. The hash map keeps track of the last seen index of each character. The reason we are using a hash map is because we need a way to dynamically resize our left pointer. If a character is repeated within the current window, we update the left pointer to skip over the previous occurrence. Notice that the left pointer is always the previous occurrence plus 1. If we didn't add the plus 1, then our current window will always have a duplicate character. The time complexity is O of n because we only process each element once. The space complexity is O of n because we are using a map, and the upper bound of holding all unique characters will be at most the length of the array.